Hi friends, this is Amit Kumar Das. Today we discuss hydropower generation. This is a dam. Today we discuss how electricity generated from this dam. This is the reservoir. This is the reservoir having full of water. This is the turbine, this is the generator, this is the control room, this is the step-up transformer and transmission line. When water flow from reservoir towards turbine through gate, pressure tunnel, source tank, penstock, inlet valve. When water hit the turbine, then turbine will be spinning. As a result, generator will induce current. That current will be step up through step up transformer, then transmit towards load area through transmission line. Principle of a hydropower plant. Now, in hydropower plant, potential energy convert to kinetic energy, then mechanical energy, then electrical energy. In potential energy means when water in reservoir, that means potential energy stored in water. When water moves towards the turbine, that means potential energy convert to kinetic energy. When water strike on the turbine, that means kinetic energy convert to mechanical energy. When turbine spinning, then mechanical energy convert to electrical energy. Classification of hydropower generation. Basically, there are two types: conventional type, pump storage type. Conventional type, again three types. Runoff water types means एक रिवर पे पावर जनरेट करना, बैरेज बना के पावर जनरेट करना. रिजर्वर टाइप वाटर को रिजर्व करके डैम बना के उससे पावर जनरेट करना. बॉन्डेज टाइप वो छोटा टाइप का होता है. अब पंप स्टोरेज टाइप. टुडे वी डिस्कस ओनली रिजर्वर टाइप डैम. पावर जनरेशन फ्रॉम reservoir type dam. How to calculate the capacity of a hydropower plant? For that, there is a formula: rho into 9.8 into Q into He into eta, where rho equal to water density, G equal to acceleration due to gravity, Q water discharge in cubic meter per second. Water means energy discharge in cubic meter per second. He effective head, कितना हाइट का डैम है. Eta, combined efficiency of turbine and generator. Stages of a hydropower project: feasibility study, detailed project stages, tender preparation stages, construction stage, design and implementation. Now, feasibility stage. Now, in feasibility stage, detailed study of hydrology, which includes water availability studies, flood studies, collection of historical data and meteorological data, installed capacity of the project along with design head, design discharge for the project, fixation location of the dam and powerhouse, fixing height of the dam over the riverbed, fixing preliminary layout of the water conductor system, fixing type of powerhouse, to work civil design, electrical design, hydrology, geology, construction and cost engineering is very important to arrive a good feasibility report. Then detailed project stages. In detailed project stages, first precise study of hydrology, detailed investigation and study of geology, decision on the type of dam, spillway design, fixation of spillway system and sizing of the spillway, river diversion scheme, layout of water conductor system, size of HRT head rest tunnel, fixation of type of intake and distillery arrangement, location of salt shaft, detailed layout of powerhouse complex, including location of access tunnels and ventilation tunnels, planning of powerhouse, detailed infrastructure and machinery requirement for the project. Then tender preparation stages. In this stage, detailed drawing for the tender, technical specification of the project, bill of quantity of the project and commercial condition and proposals. Next, construction stage design and implementation. Layout of powerhouse in vicinity of the dam, that is with short water conductor system, layout with dam, a long water conductor system and powerhouse. Powerhouse may be surface powerhouse, या underground powerhouse, या semi underground powerhouse. Component of a hydropower project. First is dam, a barrage, spillway and river diversion. You know spillway, floodgate, you know river diversion, you know dam, a barrage. The intake structure to divert water from reservoir towards the turbine. Headrest channel which carries the water to the powerhouse. Source tank to absorb water hammer effects due to rapid start or closure of the turbine. Powerhouse. Powerhouse may be surface powerhouse, या underground powerhouse, या semi underground powerhouse. Need to finalize. Tail rest channel which carries water from turbine exit back to river. Major components. Dam. This is the dam. Here is the reservoir. This is the floodgate, slipway. This is the turbine. This is the generator. This is the turbine. Turbine is fitted with the generator. This is the draft tube. The turbine. Turbine, two types. One is impulse turbine, another is reaction turbine. Again, impulse turbine is Pelton turbine, yeah, cross flow turbine. Reaction turbine again divided: propeller turbine, ball turbine, staff flow turbine, tube turbine, Kaplan turbine, Francis turbine, kinetic turbine. वो डिटेल आप पढ़ लीजिए बुक से. Now, how to selection a turbine? The selection of turbine is based on height of the standing water, referred to as head, and flow or volume of water at the site. Other factor is how deep turbine must be set, efficiency and cost. Then you select the turbine. Generator's working principle. AC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy due to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Suppose this is the armature, this is the magnet, this is the shaft. When shaft connected with a turbine, when turbine moves, this armature will be move and it will cause magnetic field. As a result, EMF will be induced and current flow through the coil. This is rotor, this is the stator. This is for example. This is a generator and this is the turbine. When water strikes on this turbine, then turbine will be spinning. As a result, generator will be induced current, because as per Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Because here this is the rotor and this is the stator. This is a hydro generator. This is the main shaft. Turbine is connected. This is the bottom frame. This is the generator base. This is the upper frame. This is the guide frame, guide bearing, starter core. This is the starter core. This is the rotor pole. This is the generators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the generator. इसके नीचे टर्बाइन है. Now, power transmission. In hydropower project, power transmission means step-up substation and transmission line for long distance. Now, this is the hydro power plant, then this is the step-up transformer, then transmission line, that is primary, then step-down transformer, then receiver, then secondary transmission, step-down transformer, substation, primary distribution, distribution transformer, consumer connection, secondary distribution, like that. Here the generating station and step-up transformer, transmission line, substation, sub-transmission customer, primary customer, secondary customer. Automation of a hydropower plant. It is SCADA, monitoring and diagnosis, third party, excitation and generator protection, transformer protection, turbine control, सबस्टेशन कंट्रोल, सिंक्रोनाइजिंग. मैं एक ऑटोमेशन का अलग से एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा, उसमें डिटेल ऑटोमेशन के बारे में डिस्कशन करूंगा. नाउ दिस इज ए हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट completed. This is a gate. This is the tail water. This is the penstock. Inlet valve. This is the turbine. This is the generator. This is automation control protection. Medium voltage switch gear, power transformer, high voltage switch gear, transmission line. Thank you friends. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.